Hello everyone. I just wanted to tell you about a multi-tool that's on sale for a really good price on Amazon because it's Amazon Prime Days, right? So here we have it. WETOLS. There's a model number. I put the link in the description. 21-in-1 multi-function pliers. There you go. All right, in case you want that. Everything's Father's Day when it comes to this stuff. So what we have is, here's your little bit set. And it has a nylon pouch. Hold on. Nylon pouch. It comes in, it has a nice nylon pouch. Put it on your belt or whatever you need to put it on. The bits slip in here, and let's look at the tool. Of course my birds want to be noisy. So there's everything you get on there. We have a serrated blade, can opener, and bottle opener, saw blade. We have a file, a regular blade, and the bit driver. Now to close all this, or to lock it, you're going to, let me put some of this down. Hold on a minute. Oh, that one's already locked. So it's locked. No movement. Well, there's a little bit, but not bad. All right. So to unlock that, we just push this button, and there we go. Down. Well, let's leave that one up a minute. And the same on this side. Everything you just, which I find in a multi-tool, in my opinion, is like a must to have a locking system fully open, because you don't want that coming back on you. All right, let's open up the plier part. Maybe I do have to shut that. All right. I'm gonna say this thing has got some big handles. They are big, wide. Yeah, it'll fit a guy's hand pretty good. My hand, it's kind of big, I'm not gonna lie. But here we go, spring-loaded pliers, wire cutter, and it looks very well constructed. I'm going to leave a link. These are $18 right now on Amazon. So let's check out, for curiosity, this bit driver. I think we always need to kind of check those out. Now it locks in that position. And let's take out a bit. There's a bit. Let's see how this fits. Alright. It's in there. I think it's magnetized. Yeah, it is. So there you go. And come on. Well, maybe I didn't do it right. There we go. So there we go with this multi-tool for 18 bucks. Not a bad price. I think they're regularly like $30. So I'll leave that in the description. And there's actually a lot of good deals right now on Prime Days. I will be doing a review soon on the Tenable beaver. All right. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.